local doctors are on the cutting edge of cancer research.
Yeah, we're talking live about clinical trials underway right here in the Valley to get patients better treatment and faster. Stay with us.
It is 5:57, and this Friday, CBS and the two other major television networks are coming together Friday night for an hour of commercial-free coverage to raise money and awareness in the fight to find a cure for cancer.
It's called Stand Up. Thrilled that a lot of the cutting-edge research work is taking place right here in the Valley.
So joining us live this morning is Dr. Ramesh Ramanathan. He's from Scottsdale Healthcare. And good morning. Thanks for being live with us this morning. Okay, you've been working on one of the clinical trials that just got awarded a multi-million-dollar grant. This is exciting.
Yes, it is.
Can you tell us, let's talk a little bit about pancreatic cancer too. Difficult to treat. Why is it so difficult to treat? Why are the mortality rates so high?
There are a couple of reasons. One, it's diagnosed very late. Unfortunately, unlike some other cancers, there are really no symptoms till the cancer has advanced to a late stage. And when we diagnose patients, the cancer has spread to a lot of different organs. Another reason, it's also very difficult to treat. We think one of the reasons chemotherapy doesn't actually work is there's a protective wall around the pancreatic cancer cells. So that makes it difficult for chemotherapy to get into the pancreatic cancer cells. And that's one of the main areas of research that we are focusing on.
Okay, and you're with the Virginia G. Piper Cancer Center at Scottsdale Healthcare. You're working with TGen as well. But you're looking for folks in the Valley to participate in this clinical trial, right?
Correct. We have just started 2 clinical trials for pancreatic cancer. Pancreatic cancer is not a very common disease, so we will be looking for patients who are suitable for these clinical trials.
And what will you be focusing on in those clinical trials?
These are, we are looking for to enter patients with advanced pancreatic cancer, and we are looking at new ways of cutting off the fuel supply, looking at the molecular profile of the cancers and trying to personalize or tailor individual therapy. And we're also looking at new drugs to break down this protective wall again around the pancreatic cancer cell.
Well, it's really exciting because your dream team, you're being called the dream team, is one of 5 teams across the country selected in this grant process.
Yes, we are one of 5 with TGen and University of Pennsylvania, and the Virginia G. Piper Cancer Center is one of the main clinical sites for this Dream Team program.
Congratulations.
How did you get chosen for that?
It started about 2 years ago. Our head of the program is Dr. Hoff, who submitted the application. It was a very rigorous process. There were about 200 applications, and it was a month-long selection process. And the grant had to be revised during this process.
Oh, Doctor, thank you so much for being live with us this morning. I know